Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch. Alright, so this is TTOO, and it's an amazing online service that helps you find the best trading opportunities. They have multiple different screeners for credit spreads, bull and bear squeezes with a lot of trading activity, option sweeps to follow large trades and big money moves, and a lot more for your different trading strategies. There's a trading board so you can log all your trades as soon as you enter. You're gonna get real-time alerts sent straight to your phone and get a good idea of your percentage of wins and losses. You're gonna get access to fast market news on any stock, and that's valuable in itself. But the best feature is the community Discord group, where you can exchange trading ideas and get guidance from the TTOO team. So you can sign up for $34.95 a month. That's less than a tank of gas, but make sure that you sign up with my link and get your first month for 20% off. All right, so make sure you check out TTOO.
Foxtail from the D.
Are we live? All right, yeah. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks, and this is, just another Sunday live chat where basically we're just gonna come and do a little technical analysis on a few different stocks that you guys are looking into. So that's whether you're doing stocks, options, whatever. Some of you guys drop a couple little penny stocks in there every now and then. So, hey, really, it's just kind of a community thing for us to come and hang out for a little bit. So just an excuse to hang out with you guys. So what's up, everybody? Hello. What's up, Rashid? What's up, Lena? Thank you, Lena. What's up, Daniel? Hello. The trading yoga girl, what's up? Mercedes, that's beautiful. That's a nice name. Ezra was popping. What do you think about TTOO? Been holding this for a little bit. All right, that'll be our first one. Daniel, hold on real quick. Hold on. What's up, Gloria? Nikki, hey, what's up? Let me go ahead and pin this so I don't, so that I remember it. All right, so you guys, first of all, let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go ahead. Right after this video, I'm gonna have the top 3 option plays ready for you guys. So it's actually exporting right now, so that'll be up tonight. And oh snap, hold on, uh-oh. Hold on, oh man. Okay, while I'm getting this set up, make sure you guys click the thumbs up button for me. Where is the Ciao. Oh man, this is not good. Okay, hold on. Let me bring it back over here. I don't know what's going on with this. Oh man, it was working before. Okay, hold on. Yeah, while I'm adding this, make sure that you guys click that thumbs up button for me. Jeez, window capture. Oh man. Y'all, I really messed this up. Oh, here it is. Dang. All right. It's still not showing. Okay, well, I guess maybe I'm just not going to be on here, or what? Let me see. What about this? I don't like this one. All right, that's cool. You just don't have to see me this time. That's fine. Okay, so you guys already know how we do. I'm gonna have the stock right here, so you'll be able to just send in some stock requests. We're going to look at it over here. And, you know, that's pretty much all we're going to do. I don't know what's going on with my screen, but yeah, just give me the ticker symbol and we're going to look at it. So what is the first one that we're going to look at? You said TTOO. This is from Daniel. For some reason, it's not showing my stuff. See, look, it's not even showing this. Bro. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, here we go. What? Oh, there we go. Okay. I don't know what happened, you guys. It happens. This is what you see on live. Okay, this is live and in action. So live drama. Okay, thank you guys so much for your patience. So let's get into this. This is TTOO. Oh, this is a penny stock. Okay, well, the first thing that you see, obviously this is in a downtrend right now. It's in a pretty good downtrend, trading below both of the moving averages. So I don't know what you're doing with this one. Oh, okay. What do you think about this? Been holding this for a little bit. Not sure it's a short swing. Yeah, this definitely would be something short. So like I was saying, if you guys saw our Golden Cross video just about trading with the moving averages, you'll see that it's kind of using that as a resistance point. So you might see a quick little boom move up here to this 50 moving average, and it could break above that and continue going up. But I feel like you could at least see the stock go up to, what is it, 70 cents. So yeah, I can definitely see that as a possibility. With the play like that. The RSI, it's been oversold for a while. It's in a strong downtrend, so it's just something that you can do with that. But yeah, it's definitely a penny stock there, so thank you for that. All right, Jordan, just wait until our top 3 options for yours. We're going to talk about that on the top 3 options. I'll go into detail in that video for you tonight. Who is this? Thank you, Deidre. Hey, beautiful. Always good to hear your voice. Thank you. Okay. This is Ant Set. Simone says, I did a call on Apple last week. So far, so good. Apple is looking like it's definitely trying to do a little turnaround. Okay, for some reason, every time I go live, my allergies start acting up. So I don't know what's going on with that. Oh, hold on. Did I? Let me get this. Okay, where is the? Okay, here we go. All right, so, no, not that. Not, oh, Lord. Hold on, y'all. Now it's all out of order. Okay, Jesus, it got me out of order. So this is BBY. Oh, okay, Best Buy. This is really nice. Okay, so the first thing you'll see is the stock is in a very strong uptrend. Oh, they have an earnings coming up. Okay, what did they do the last time? The last time they had a really good earnings beat. And with this positive uptrend that is in, let me see. Okay, hold on. The earnings is, the actual date is on the 23rd. So, you know, let me see. A possible maybe $10 move around that time. So if I was going to do anything with that, I don't know if you're holding stock shares, but if you wanted to do a option play, you can do a credit spread and kind of have your limit at least $10 away from where the stock price is right now. That's kind of an easy method that you can do. So you can have, you know, your limit. Oh, okay, the video's finished. You can have your limit set around, you know, maybe 120 for your lowest, and then 145 or something for your high. So that's kind of something that you can do around earnings. But, you know, as you'll see, the last earning, the stock went from around 116 up to 120. So it's about a $10 move. That's what it did last time. Not saying it's going to do that this time, but you know, sometimes history does repeat itself. So that's kind of something that you can do. And then just last thing, the implied volatility is a little bit high. It's around 70. So that's why I would feel more comfortable doing a credit receiving play. If you're doing options and, you know, Best Buy options, they're not super high. It's around 4. So it's not super high. But that would be good for you with the credit receiving play. So yeah, that's kind of something that you can do with that. It's just an option with some options. Now this is ready to upload. Hold on real quick, you guys, so I can have this top 3 uploading. Okay, boom. So that is uploading. All right, dang, I'm multitasking tonight. Even stuff going crazy on live. All right, let's get into another one. Under my wings. Okay, so let's do LLC or American Airlines. Let me see. Let's just look and see what LLC is doing. Is that right? Well, I don't see that, so it's gonna have to be American. Oh, okay. So I know what you guys are kind of seeing on this chart. It does look like it's giving some really strong patterns right here. So you'll kind of see we've been having this support around, I think we talked about this on one of our top 3 videos, but we have some support around $18 and it's hit this point about 5 times. Hey, not that bad. So what I would want to see, it does have a little bit more to drop, but I would want to see, is this going to be a good turning point? Just kind of looking at the MACD indicator, it looks like it's trying to set up for a bullish trend reversal. Really, if you, and we did have a golden crossover, but it's not that strong because you'll see our 50 is kind of sloping downwards too. So I would really wait for, I would really want to wait for the stock to move above maybe 20, 21. That would be a great indication that, you know, it's kind of starting to move back and hopefully hit this resistance point again at 22, maybe break out of it. It's a possibility, but yeah, this does have a strong pattern that I like. So we have some resistance up here around 20, 22, definite support around 18. We're at 19 right now. So let's see what happens. It's something that could, something that you can do. Okay. Oh, wow. Thank you, C. Lewis, for your $1 super chat. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. What's up, Native Warrior? Yafa Ya, what's up? Okay, MHD, make sure that you watch today. You guys, we're in tune. Make sure that you watch today's top 10 or top 3. You'll see more information on that. All right, let's look at this one from Lena. Let's look and see. Okay, so this is Apple. And let me look. Okay, wow, Apple's doing really nice. Okay, so this is a 162 call expiring on the 26th. So that's in a couple of days. It's a little bit out of the money. Let me see, 26. 100, that's not too bad. Okay, the delta on here is not terrible. The theta is just a little bit high, but obviously I'm pretty sure you're not going to hold this for too long. Golly, the volume is extremely high. This is really nice. The volume is pretty much 3 times what the open interest is, so that just shows a lot of activity around Friday. Implied volatility is good, so if I did have this, I would really want to see that stock continue in that strong uptrend come market open tomorrow. So you see literally the past 3 days, all last week, it had a really strong opening. So let me zoom in a little bit. Apple is doing its thing, honey. Oop, and then Black Friday, Is Black Friday next week? Oh, that's probably why you got in. Hold on. Is Black Friday next week? Somebody put it in the comments. I think it is. Thanksgiving. Jason said happy Thanksgiving. What's up, Jay Pitts? Yeah, that could be a possibility. So I would want to see what is it going to do come market open on Monday. This is 54. I mean, it is jumping up a few dollars every day. So yeah, if I was gonna have this, Lena, honestly, I would want to see what happens on Monday, and I want it to continue in this uptrend, break out probably to 163, 164, and I would go ahead and get out of that. The theta is high and it expires in a few days, so I would just go ahead and I would get off of that. And that's that on that. Okay, what's up? Thank you so much for your $5 super chat. All right, so let's so yeah, that's pretty much my thoughts on that, Lena. All right, D, I see yours. I'm gonna do yours next. I'm gonna do the trading yoga girl first. You know, super chat, you know, that's always gonna get it. You know, what's up? Okay, so let's look and see what's going on. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up button for me too. Oh Lord, hold on, let's zoom out. Hold on. Let me not be biased. Okay, now this is cute. See, that's why you have to zoom out. You saw how we just saw that downtrend, but then you zoom out and we can get a bird's eye view of what's really going on. Now, one thing I like about this stock, it does kind of have an uptrending pattern. This kind of looks like it started around August. You know, we have a little up, little down, little up, little down. I want to see, is it going to use this? This is the orange. This is our 200-day moving average. I want to see, okay, it kind of looks like it did do that a little bit. Is it going to use that as a support and kind of bounce off of that? It's at 41 right now, hit a high of 46. Little bit of a sell-off right there. Kind of broke below the center line on the MACD indicator, but I mean, it's looking like it's trying to move its way back up from that. What? I saw that. Hold on. Okay. I don't know what's going on with that. Who is the shoes? I mean, I guess thank you for the comments. But yeah, I want to see, is it going to continue kind of like this little bounce up that it did on Friday and, you know, continue moving up past that high of 46, because it is giving strong uptrend. Well, not strong uptrend right now, but you know, it looks like it's trying to do something. So let me zoom in next week. $42, $41. Yeah, I would really kind of want to see it hit this 42. That would be a good indication that it's, you know, continuing moving up. But it looks like it's, you know, it's kind of in an upward motion. It's really neutral on Friday, so sometimes it's kind of hard to tell, but you know, I would just kind of wait and see how that starts moving before I made any decisions. But yeah, I mean, if you wanted to draw a trend line, you could do that and just see, like I said, if it uses that 200 moving average as some support. So that's that on that. Sonova Energy. Okay, and energy is doing pretty good right now. Okay, thank you, Lucinda, for your super chat. Thank you. All right, so I said I was gonna do D's. Okay, you guys said yes for Black Friday. So yeah, Lena, you see they say yes. So yeah, let's see what happens. Dang, I can't. Okay, here it is. Riot and Mara. Ooh, Mara, that was, I did a recap on our top 3 on Mara, so I'll give you a little bit more information on that on there. I'm gonna do Riot though. Yeah, Mara, that was a lot. That was a big drop. Okay. This is doing okay. I mean, it was in a pretty good uptrend towards the beginning of this month, and it had a pretty strong sell-off. It looks like it's kind of trying to build its way back up. Still in an uptrend, but it did have that drop. What is that, from 49 to 30. So I don't know. I think that's probably a little bit more than 10%. But I want to see, is it going to kind of start moving back up, or is it going to, you know, continue in that downtrend? Is this just a correction, or, you know, did we change trends? Is it a trend reversal? So I want to see what's going to go on with that. I don't know if you have this. Ooh, who did that? I saw the super chat. The super chat pops up. Thank you, Lena, for your $25 super chat. Thanks, girl. I'm gonna get in and then get out. Yeah, that definitely. I didn't even think about Black Friday, so I'm definitely gonna have to rethink. I didn't even think about that for these top threes. That's crazy. I'm slipping, but yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, for this RIOT, and then it does kind of look like it's trying to do a little crossover with the MACD. It's not for sure though, but you know, it is building up that way. RSI looks pretty good, ready to pop. So yeah, I want to see, is it going to continue moving upwards and, you know, passing above that high of, what is that, 48, or is this going to turn into, you know, a new downtrend? So that's something to think about. Okay. I feel like I'm missing a lot of stuff. Okay, this is from Billy. News said Apple is going to start with EV. Yeah, I saw that. I'm not even going to lie. I kind of thought about it. I'd be interested to see what an EV stock looks like from Apple. Nobody's touching a Tesla to me, so I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm interested to see what they have. I would stick with a Tesla. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Okay, this is from the Divine Mind, and this is, what is this, Microsoft? Make sure you guys click that thumbs up for your girl, okay? Hey, what's up? What's up? Microsoft, oh man. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember, we had this on one of our top threes maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago, going crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, so yeah, it's hitting 345. Is this its 52-week high? Let me see, hold on. Oops, hold on, y'all. Yep. Yeah, I mean, it's just hitting higher highs right now. This is its 52-week high that it's at right now. So what is going on here? Okay. Yeah, you'll see it's in a strong uptrend. MACD is doing okay. It's a little bit neutral. It's not giving strong movements, but it has a steady move upwards. RSI steadily moving up. So this is kind of a long-term hold stock, or this is just a long play, continuing making higher highs. The price is a little bit high though. The options aren't terrible, around 2, 3, 4. So you can get into something cute if you wanted to do a cute little, you know, short little swing or something like that. But yeah, Microsoft is doing pretty well. Yep, good uptrend. Okay. Options calls for this week. Okay, let's do this one from Diedrich. This is P&W 7075 call. What is that? $70.75 call. Okay, so this is at 66 right now. And you have a call. Okay, so it was kind of in a strong downtrend. And it was using this 50-day moving average as resistance. So it looks like it just kind of broke above that. And it could start to use that, if it is moving into an uptrend, it could start to use that 50 moving average as a support instead of resistance. The ADX indicator looks good. DMI plus is above the DMI minus. It's not in a strong trend right now though. The ADX, the white ADX line is at 19, so it's not a super strong trend, but it is starting to move upwards. So I just kind of want to see what's going to happen going into Monday. Yeah, I mean, the past couple of days has been doing pretty well. hit 67. Okay, so come market open tomorrow, if it keeps moving up, passes above that 67, then that's going to be a good indication it's moving upwards. And you said 75. I don't know what expiration date you have for this. And I bet these options aren't even that much. You probably got the 17. Oh, girl, and these options aren't even at 400. Ooh, that's a big difference. That's a lot. And the implied volatility is low. I mean, it's a little bit. I wouldn't mind getting a cute little 200-300. But what's the volume? Hold on. Volume is all right. The volume is okay. And then let me look one more time and look and see. Open interest is very low, honey. This open interest and volume is almost nothing. If I was going to do anything, I'll probably look more at the January expiration, because there's not much going on right there. I mean, it's a little bit, but it's just not, it's not doing a lot for me. And that bid and that ask is really big. From 2 to 4, child, please. I'm not sure about that. So I don't know. See, the bid, I would, $2 on this bid and ask, that's a lot. This bid and the ask spread is kind of big, so I don't know. Yeah. 70, yeah, I see why you wanted to get back up to 70. We're gonna see. I wanna see if it breaks out of this downtrend and, you know, starts moving above that. And then, hey, if it hits that 74, 75, we're definitely doing pretty good and definitely have broken out of that downtrend. So that's a good sign of that. And by that point, you would have had a golden crossover. So yeah, that's that on that. Ooh, I didn't even, okay, so this is from MD. No, okay, I'm gonna skip that one. But as far as the Iron Condor, I don't know. Hold on, let me see. I'm not gonna do too much for this one because this is one of the top. Yeah, I mean, this one is definitely kind of trend trading. So, but I don't know, it's kind of giving a downtrend. But you can do an Iron Condor on that. Iron Condor wouldn't be too much. Okay, so let's get into another one. Okay, January 22. Yeah, see, Deidre, that's the one that I liked, the January expiration. So yeah, that one looked pretty good. That one looked good. So yeah, we on the same page. All right, okay, this is from MD, and this is DraftKings. Let me see. Call option. Okay, boom. What is their ticker symbol? I don't think that's right. Hold on. I forgot the, okay, DKNG. Yeah. All right, so you said DraftKings call option. What expiration date? Gotta have the expiration date. That is crucial, okay? So put the expiration date in there for me. Oh, girl, this is doing terrible right now. Oh, you guys remember we were talking about DraftKings before, and it was probably around August, and yeah, it was doing pretty well. I thought it was going to be doing good with hockey and all that other stuff coming out, but child, it's not doing too much. Definitely giving a lot of puts. Ooh, what is this? The earnings was terrible, child. Downtrend. Call option. Why? Why would you want to do a call option when it's in a downtrend? Why? I wouldn't mess with that. I would probably do a put. I wouldn't do a call on this right now. I don't even have to look at anything. That's my answer. I wouldn't do a call on this. And if I did, it would be a very short one. Child, this is giving downtrend. I need to see a trend reversal before I start even thinking about calls. Please. Okay. So this is from Midnight Daniels. And this is BA. 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 B. Oh man. Oh, whoa. What? What happened with this? I thought this was doing so well last week. Golly. Oh man. Wow. That is a nice little drop. It's really not even that much. It was 230 all the way down to 214. Dang. What happened with the earnings? Earnings were trash. So, I mean, it did, and the crazy thing is it did have a little golden crossover, you know, but hey, whatever happened on Friday, I mean, the price just plummeted. So I feel like this must have something to do news related. I don't know what happened with Boeing, but yeah, that's a pretty big dip. Can I please? Yeah. I mean, it wasn't a steady uptrend. It hit that low of 204, but like I said, it had that huge drop. And it's been in an overall downtrend anyway. Yeah, this thing has been in a downtrend. It's been trading below both the 50 and 200-day moving average all year. They gave us a little earnings report. It tried to start moving up a little bit, but it looks like it's starting to continue to move in that overall downtrend that it's been in all year. So, hey, what can you do, okay? Thank you, Chandra Moore, for your $2 super chat. DITM calls Tesla good and 417. TSA. DITM, what is that? What is that? Okay, I'm just gonna do the Ford one. Let's do Ford. Let's see what Ford, you know, the cars are doing cute, honey. Everybody's moving to, oh, wow. This is nice. Now, okay, so you said Ford $17 call. Okay, so that's very much so in the money. Expires next week. Okay, so your expiration date is coming up pretty close. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm sure you're pretty profitable in that. I'm not sure when you entered that trade, if you have it already or not. But I would definitely have have that as a short trade. And Ford, it's not really moving that much, it has weeklies, but its market making move is projected to move about $1 by that time. It's not really moving too much for me. If I was going to do anything with Ford, I would probably do more of a neutral position, maybe an iron condor or a credit spread or something like that, because the stock's not moving that much. The options aren't that much either, but I mean, hey, you can do something further in the money and, get more for it. It's just a little bit of a risk, but yeah, this isn't moving too much for me. Let me zoom in just a little bit. What am I doing? Let me zoom in and see what's going on. Oh yeah. And shouts out to Webull, got the Webull cap on. Somebody said they liked the hat look, so I brought it back, Yeah, this is giving me downtrend right now. Yeah. Kind of lost track of what I was talking about. But yeah, that's definitely not downtrend, but it's looking like it's after it hit that high, it's kind of side trading right now. So I want to see, I need a breakout. I need to see what's going on. Are we going to move back up to that high of 20, or is it going to move into a downtrend? So yeah, Ford, that's what's up. All right, you guys, so we've been on here for about 34 minutes. Hold on, let me see. What is the status of this upload? 39 minutes left. Wow. All right, you guys. This is from QP. What's the best advice for a beginner trader with zero experience, and also how many laptops should I have? I would say one of the most important things is to understand terminology, understand what things mean, get comfortable with reading charts. I would say just start with candlesticks first. Candlesticks are going to tell you so much. So definitely, I would say jump into candlesticks as soon as possible. And paper trade. Pick 1 or 2 strategies that you just want to dominate, good, bad, ugly, and just practice those every single day. I don't know if you guys have heard of the 4,000 hour rule or whatever, but I've really been thinking about that a lot. Anything you spend 4,000 hours doing, hey, it's given expert. So just practice trading and trade more. If you don't want to trade with your capital, that's why paper trading is helpful. So just keep practicing and keep doing it, keep learning. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna do maybe 1 or 2 more, and then I'm gonna go ahead. Natural disaster, have I started my Discord yet? Okay, I'm very close to starting the Discord. I told you guys, I just know it's gonna be a lot of pressure because I'm going to have to actively post in there. I have a personal schedule set for myself, personal scanners that I wanna go to. I wanna start like a small trading account for people who, you know, wanna start with a certain amount, maybe $200, and move that up to something. So I just have so much that I want to do with it, and I'm kind of being a perfectionist. So I want it to be really good. I want it to be helpful for you guys, but it's definitely coming. I think about it every single day. So please, you guys, just know the group is coming, okay? Oh, and then as far as how many laptops, you don't even have to have a lot of laptops. You can have 1 laptop and just have monitors. I like to use at least 2 screens. I'm not even gonna cap. I like to have 2 screens. I like to have the chart big, 2 charts, different time frames. I like to have my you know, my option sheet over here, buy, sell, and all of that on different screens. It just makes it easier for your stuff. So I'll say at least 2. Okay. Miguel said, can covered calls be profitable? Yeah, covered calls can definitely be profitable if you actually have those 100 shares. And I'm going to start talking more about that. I have that on my list of topics, but I'm going to start talking about covered call. There's a strategy called poor man's covered call. I hate that they call it that, but yeah, so covered calls are pretty good. So that's something. I feel like I'm just kind of talking right now. So let's just do 1 more, and then I'm gonna let you guys go. Visa did terrible last week, didn't it? Like, didn't Visa, something happened with Visa? Damn. Yeah, Visa's been doing pretty bad. It's definitely in a downtrend. I don't even need to do too much of an analysis on that. Downtrend, look at the ADX indicators shooting up, honey, like somebody in the park. Above the moving averages, downtrend. So yeah, I would definitely do bearish plays on that. Okay, let me do 1 more. Do I day trade? I'm not even, yeah, I do. I tend to day trade a lot more now. Okay, let me find the last one. You don't need a laptop. I trade on my phone. Yeah, and your phone too. That's right. I do trade on my phone a lot of the time too. So yeah. I got a gang of Rivian and they going on the market. Rivian, I've seen a lot about them. Their stock kind of dropped a little bit. I think, what was it, last week on Friday or something? But I mean, they're a really good rival to Tesla right now. So I would definitely keep my eye out on that. This is from Ebedeli. Where would you put $100 to make lunch money at the end of the week? $100 lunch money? I'm gonna be honest with you. If I was gonna do something with $100, I would probably do an option on Apple. Apple's options are always pretty cheap. Let me see. Do they have anything for 100? I mean, yeah, you can do something cute with Apple. I might do that, or I would get a fractional share of something like Tesla or Amazon, just going off of, like you guys were saying, Black Friday sales and stuff like that. So it's probably going to do well. Oh, I said it right. Okay, thank you. What's up? Who is this? Laurie? Am I late? Yeah, watch the playback. I'll have everything up for you guys. All right, last one, you guys. This is from Robert. What's up, Robert? Costco pay on the regular. So let's look at Costco and this Samsung. What's up, or Samstone? Make sure you check out our top 3. I'm going to talk about that in that. So I'm going to give you a good breakdown of that. This is going to be the last one from Robert, and this is Costco. I don't think I've ever been in Costco before. I've seen one. There's one, I think, in Plano. So I'm like, oh, I thought that was Costco. That's Apple. Yeah, Apple's doing this thing, okay? But I just want to be careful with that because it's had this really sharp climb. And I mean, you would kind of expect for it to dip a little bit. So I really want to see what's going into next week. I really do. I need to see it break above that 160. I needed to at least be at 161, 162 market open, and that would be a good look. Okay, last one, you guys. Dang. Wow. Okay, first of all, I love this. Now this stock is really high. It's about $500, but I mean, it's giving clear pattern. Let me see. For a $500 stock, the options aren't that much. It is kind of a lot, but golly, look at the open interest and volume. Beautiful, amazing, strong uptrend, trading above both of the 50 and 200-day moving average. And you'll see, what is this? It hit this high of, what is this, 537? 537. I mean, it's looking like it's continuing up. Let me zoom into the 5-day. Okay, so for me, and I know this is probably I don't know if this is an outlier or if this is a glitch or something like that, but just going based off of this, I would want to see it reach that 537. And just kind of looking at the MACD indicator, I'm not sure if this is if you would consider this a divergence or not. I wouldn't think not really, but this is kind of a sharp downturn. And I mean, this isn't really turning that much for such a sharp turn. So that could be a divergence for a bearish move moving downward. So I want to see, is it going to move back up to that 537? I wouldn't enter a long position until it reached that point. I like having my entry points. And I think that's I'm gonna do one more because you guys were so patient with me earlier. Like, my stuff was just going all crazy. I don't know what's going on with this Streamlabs, but I got to get it together. We've definitely been through some things on live. All right, let's do one more. This is from MD. Do you put your regular option calls somewhere so that we can profit from them too? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. Yeah, I don't do it right now, but I will. I think the name of the room is called Open Trades. So I just know it's just gonna be a lot updating that stuff. So I'm gonna, yeah. I'm holding shares of Plug. Hey, Plug is going crazy right now. I think a breakout at the previous high of 537 is nice. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, if I saw that, I would definitely get into that. Oh, these are pretty good stocks. Okay, you guys, let's do it one more. Okay, you said look at Macy's. This is from Cal. What's up, Callie Kid? What's up? How are you doing? Thank you for joining the live tonight. This is the last one. This is Macy's. Macy's, every time I go in the mall, I don't see anything I like anymore. I don't know if that's because of the... What? Macy's. Damn, this is off of their earnings? Shoot. Girl, look at this earnings beat. Hold on. So they were projected to get 34 cents per share. Child, they said they're getting $1.23. That is great. I mean, hey, okay, so this is, okay, what did you say? You said look at it. Now, it did kind of have that big drop. It had that huge climb up on the day of earnings, and it had, you know, a pretty strong drop after that. Now, this is where I would kind of get more into fundamentals. This is technical analysis aside. I would just kind of want to see what did they say on the earnings report outside of just the amazing estimation increase versus what they what they put out. Like, what are they doing different that's gonna make this go crazy long term? If I was gonna enter it, I'm not sure if you're still in this, if you're looking to get into it. It dropped down to $34. I would need to see it move back upwards to 38. If I see it move past that previous high, that's definitely an indication to me that it's going to continue in that uptrend. And you're also, by that time, it would have a golden crossover also. But I mean, we're going to be realistic. It could move into a downtrend. So that's a possibility also. So let me see. Let me zoom out again. But it's been an overall uptrend. So yeah, I would say it's probably going to continue going up. And we just want to make sure that this dip, you know, is this going to be its bottom, and is it going to start moving back up? So like I said, I'm going to have that entry around 37. Did I say that 37? I think I said 37. Hold on. Yeah, 37, 38. And that would be it. But shouts out to Macy's for that. I like Dillard's. I'm a Dillard's girl. Yes, I do have one-on-ones. So I have one-on-one Zoom chats where I just come and, you know, have you guys ask me questions and stuff. And if I know the answer, I can help you with that. If not, we can do some research together and we'll both learn something. So yeah, I do have that. Oh, you guys can see my Movado? Oh, Lord. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and end the live. Stop playing with me. Who said I'm ignoring you? I didn't ignore anybody. I didn't see it. Deepening the money cost for Tesla. That's what I meant. Oh, I did see that. I didn't know what that deep in the money. I didn't even, hey. Let's do this. You said deep in the money cost for Tesla. Let's look. This will be the last one. You know Tesla, she's always on the move, honey. Stop playing with her. God, I want a Tesla so bad. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and it looks like it bounced right off that little trend line too, honey. Like it was nothing. From 1250 all the way down to, dang, that's a lot. That's a lot. So you said deep in the money? How much are you trying to pay? You said deep in the money or out of the money? Hold on. Deep in the money? You must have some coins. You trying to spend that much? And then what's the expiration? You balling. Yeah, Robert, that's what I said. I mean, for me, I probably do something out of the money with this because you know how much Tesla moves in a day. Now that would probably be a day trade for me. Hey, the Delta looks cute on all of them. I mean, Delta looks decent, very decent. Even for pretty far out of the money, the Delta is very decent. Open interest is crazy. Volume is crazy. These are the type of stocks that you would want to look at for your day trades or just, you know, to get something nice out of that. Oh, Movado has earnings. I love Movado. That's my favorite watch. You can keep the Rolex. I'll take my Movado. Okay, it just has that timeless classicness to me, and my mom likes it, so I pretty much I get it from my mom. Anyways, all right, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wrap up this live tonight. It's 6:51 where I am. I don't know where you guys are. I'm Central Time, but I'm gonna have our top 3 options coming out to you within probably the next 30 minutes or so. So be on the lookout for that. And I'll catch you guys on the next time. Thank you so much. Sending love, and yeah. All right, so I'll catch you guys in the next live. Peace.